Hey guys, I am going to explain problem A of Codeforces round 708 div 2. So here we are given an array of n integers and we are given definition of max. So I am hoping that you all already know what's a max, but otherwise I am going to explain it. Max is the, the smallest number that is not existing in the array and is non-negative. So for example, in this array 1, 2, 3, max is 0. In this array 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, max is 3 as 3 is not existing and it is smallest non-negative number. So now let's come back to the problem. Uh, so I we want to reorder our array such that the sum of max on prefixes of these arrays. Like for example, for prefix 2, we will be counting first two numbers. For prefix I, we will be counting first I number. Sum of the maxes of these elements is maximum. So how do we do this? First of all, we can figure this easily out that if uh, if we want to maximize a max, the array should be sorted. So if array is not sorted, then our max is going to be sum of the max is going to be smaller. For example, if we are given an array 1, 2, 3, 0, so we are applying here a greedy approach. So if we keep this array, then our first prefix max will be 0. Okay, second prefix max will be 0, third prefix max will again be 0, and fourth will be 4. So the sum will be equal to 4. Okay, but if we sort this out, we want the smaller elements closer to the starting. So if we sort this array out in this way, 1, 2, 3, so our first element will be 1, second max will be 2, then 3, and so on. So we can observe this very easily that the max will be coming out of a sorted array. But here is a as test case. For example, if you are given an array 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, then and 4. So now if you take max of this array out, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Okay, but if you take this 4 here, reverse the two elements, then you will get a larger sum. Let me show this to you. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and our prefix maxes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. So it is larger than this, as these are larger. So what we observe from here is that we want to have the array sorted, but we don't want any repeating number in array starting. If a number repeats, then we can put that number in basically in the end. So now uh, our solution comes down to sorting the array and keeping only a number once in the starting, and then if a number comes more than once, then put all those numbers in the back of this array. So how do we do this? So here I am taking input, then I keep a multiset, where I will be keeping all the elements of the array in a sorted manner, and a set also where I will keeping only distinct elements in sorted manner. So when I insert both elements in the both the array, then I first print out the distinct element in the sorted error manner, and uh, and I keep on deleting all those distinct elements from my multiset, and then I will print the rest of the elements of my multiset, which will give me my max sum of the array. Thank you, and please tell me suggestions to improve myself. Thank you.